Go home happy with the 2021 BMW X3. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The luxurious and versatile X3 offers cruising comfort, spacious cargo capacity, efficiency, distinctive design, and unparalleled performance to let you enjoy the road wherever it takes you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, satellite radio, wood grain interior trim, backup camera. Assert your passion for driving in style. Drive the X3.